Tempers flared inside the latest meeting of the St. Anne Municipal Corporation as frustration spilled over about raw sewage flooding the Brownstown market and a lack of maintenance at the facility. More in this report.
We cannot move on with 4 and 5 sheets of zinc missing and it can't fix.
Tensions boiling over inside the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, mirroring the very sewage crisis at the center of a heated dispute in Brownstown. At the heart of it all, raw sewage flooding the Brownstown market whenever there's heavy rain, forcing closures, angering vendors, and igniting a fierce war of words between councillors and the corporation's leadership. Chief Executive Officer Jennifer Brown Cunningham insists the problem is not new and not simple.
The issue as it stands is a long-standing issue. Whenever there is heavy rain, the sewage system overflows. There's a problem. When you open it and you look down in there, plastic bottles from here to Sri Lanka, down in the sewage system, because the surface water, I don't know what happened. And that is what we are now working on.
But that explanation did little to calm frustrations inside the chamber. Councillor for the Brownstown Division, Kim Brown Lawrence, fired back, placing blame squarely on poor maintenance.
The drains need to be cleaned from top to bottom. The market is not being maintained. The market hardly wash, much less the drains are being cleaned. That's why we keep having the recurring problems, my lady.
Councillor for the Dry Harbour Division, Carlton Ricketts, slamming his desk in visible frustration, painted a picture of neglect, decay, and indignity to vendors.
When you go in here, you see the cobweb. Up until now, there are missing zincs from hurricane. And we have been riding that. Go and come, and you want to tell me 5 God Almighty months, and the zinc still missing in the Brownstown market? No, man.
Back in Brownstown, vendors cope by rigging tarpaulins inside the market or wading through filthy water during downpours. But Councillor Brown Lawrence says the warning signs were there long before the latest flooding.
Every month in commercial, we complain about the same thing over and over and over. Every month, no fixing. Now the storm come, we trying to blame the storm. We knew about this problem long before and did nothing.
But the CEO maintains this is bigger than routine cleaning, describing a deep-rooted engineering failure now under review.
We have to correct the issue that is there, or else whenever it rains heavily, we are going to have this issue, and that has been the issue forever.